The dawn of personal aviation. Humanity has always looked at the birds and wondered, when will it be our turn to truly own the sky? I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we aren't just looking at a vehicle, we are looking at your ticket to personal flight. This is the LEO Flight JetBike. It's the world's first flying motorcycle that requires no pilot's license to operate. In this 6-minute deep dive, we will explore how this machine bridges the gap between science fiction and reality, inspired by the worlds of Star Wars and Blade Runner, and brought to life through revolutionary electric jet propulsion. Design and safety. Engineering without propellers. The first thing you'll notice is what's missing: propellers. Unlike its competitors, the JetBike uses a unique clustered electric jet system. This propeller-free design isn't just about aesthetics, it's a massive leap in safety. The frame features a robust roll hoop structure designed to protect the pilot, while the compact 6.5 by 6.5 foot footprint means it fits perfectly in your standard garage. Every inch of this carbon fiber and aluminum body is built for stability and simplicity, allowing even a novice to feel like an ace pilot from the very first liftoff. Technical specs: speed, altitude, and power. Let's talk numbers. The JetBike is powered by a high-energy solid-state battery system, delivering 100% electric, zero-emission flight. To keep it within FAA Part 103 regulations, its performance is electronically managed. It tops out at 60 miles per hour and maintains a safe altitude of 15 feet above the ground. While 15 feet might sound low, when you are skimming over water or open fields at 60 miles per hour on a seat with no doors around you, it feels like warp speed. You get 10 to 15 minutes of pure adrenaline per charge, enough to turn your morning commute into an aerial adventure. The flight experience. Intuitive control. What does it feel like to fly? LEO Flight has focused on intuitive controls. There's no complex cockpit here. The jet units are distributed to provide redundancy. If one fails, the others compensate instantly to keep you level. It operates at a relatively quiet 80 decibels, comparable to a passing motorcycle, making it neighborhood-friendly. Imagine pulling out of your driveway, engaging the vertical takeoff, and gliding over the traffic. This is the ultimate freedom, designed for adventurers who refuse to be grounded by the limitations of the road. The future starts now. The JetBike is more than a toy. It is the beginning of a new era in mobility. With deliveries expected to start in late 2026 and a price point that rivals high-end sports cars, the dream of the flying motorcycle is finally within reach. It's a bold step toward a future where the sky belongs to everyone. I'm Ava. Stay smart, stay elevated, and as always, blue skies ahead.